Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to create a contact on your VIVO X300. So if you want to add a contact on your VIVO X300, it's very simple and I'll show you how to do it quickly. So to add a contact, open a phone app and click this button right here. So now you'll need to type in a number, for example something like this, and create new contact. Choose where to save a contact, and here you'll have a first name, surname, or you can add just by a nickname. You can add more details if you want, like company, email, birthday, address, label, and note. And a picture, of course. So click on save, and now this phone number is saved as Pavluchaks, as you see. So basically that's it. That's how you create a contact on VIVO X300. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more.